I'm Sumedha from section 5B. Today I'm going to show you some experiments. Experiment 1. To check the fat content with some food examples. Materials required. The materials are some coconut powder and 6 to 5 seeds of watermelon and 2 tissue papers. Now I'm going to show the process. Take a tissue and put some coconut powder in it. After keeping some coconut powder, fold it into half. Now crush the coconut. Now open it and see. Now take out the coconut from the tissue. After removing the coconut powder, keep it aside. Now take another tissue paper. Now put some watermelon seeds on it. Now fold it. Crush the watermelon seeds. Now take out the watermelon seeds. Now take the both tissues. Observe the tissue where we kept the coconut. It contains oil, which contains the fat. Now observe the tissue in which we kept watermelon seeds. So we can check whether the food samples contain fat or not. We can prove that coconut contains fat and watermelon seeds does not contain fat. Now I am going to show you the second experiment. To check the electric charge. Materials required. We need one scale and a piece of paper and oil and even scissors. Now cut the paper into small squares.